Alright, so the panels are installed on both sides. The blower. Filters are on, but yeah, we have nothing coming out. Hold is dry. I don't have the accessories. Hatch up, hatch down. That's for this switches. All right. So wipers. I don't have the port side, starboard side. The motor spins. I don't have the vents. Accessories don't have. Bilge, it's in the bilge. Compartment. Light is on the compartment. Arch. Light is on an arch. Arch light is off. Cockpit light. Cockpit light is on. Nav lights. Can't really see them from here, but nav and lights and our anchors on. Controls dim too. So here's the dim. You can dim this whole panel down. That's barely visible now. And make it brighter. Everything gets brighter. Nav off. Sound. That's a washdown / shower. And anchor. Anchor is up. Anchor is back. Is it all functional and operational?